How to connect to the internet on Windows XP. This tutorial shows you how to set up your connection and get online. First, click Start. Click Control Panel. After that, click Network and Internet Connections. Click Network Connections. From there, click Create a New Connection on the left side. At this point, the New Connection wizard will open. Click Next to begin. In the next step, select Connect to the Internet. Click Next. Following this, select Set up my connection manually. Click Next. Once done, choose your connection type, like dial-up or broadband that requires a username and password. Click Next. From here, enter your ISP name, then click Next. At this stage, enter the username and password provided by your ISP. Click Next, then click Finish. Keep in mind, if you're using broadband with a router, Windows XP usually detects the connection automatically without needing this manual setup. Finally, double-click the new connection icon and click Connect to go online. And that's it. If this guide helped you connect to the internet on Windows XP, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.